In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change your mouse cursor on Windows 11 and make it look way cooler than the default one. First, open your browser and head over to Sweezy Cursors. It's a free website packed with both static and animated cursors in .cur and .oni formats. Now, browse through the collection, pick your favorite cursor pack, and click the Download for Windows button. This will download a zip file containing all the cursor and pointer files. Once it's downloaded, extract the contents to a folder. You'll now see all the cursor files inside. Perfect. You can delete the zip file if you want. On your taskbar, click the Start button Settings. In the sidebar, search for Mouse Settings, and then click on Additional Mouse Settings. In the new window, go to the Pointers tab. Select Normal Select, then hit the Browse button. Now, locate the folder with the cursors you just downloaded. Choose the arrow cursor file and click Open. Next, do the same for Link Select. Choose a hand pointer that matches your style. Once done, click Apply, then OK. Your new custom cursor is ready. Now you've got an awesome animated arrow with a rainbow outline. And when you hover over links, you'll see your stylish hand pointer in action. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching.